This is a relatively older and simpler way of thinking about hydraulic reservoirs. In this video, we'll go over how we can offer the proper optimization, making your reservoir accountable for so much more. With the constant contact between fluid and reservoir, one can agree that a hydraulic reservoir plays a significant role in the ingression of contamination into the system. But on the other hand, the reservoir also presents a great opportunity to correct the negative fluid conditions caused by everyday machine operations. Schroeder Industries offers a line of complete package solutions called the TNK Roto-Molded Tank Package Series. Available in 12, 18, and 25-gallon configurations, the TNK comes complete with a Schroeder tank mounted return filter and all accessories needed to ensure a great decrease to your system's contamination levels. We also offer a complete tank optimization overhaul service to best equip your machinery with a reservoir to meet your specific and cost-saving demands. With global competition continuously placing strong pressure on OEMs to decrease costs and increase energy efficiency, Schroeder saw the immediate need for flexibility in offering an optimization service in addition to our standard TNK product. By offering optimization services, we are truly able to visit each individual customer site and observe all individual needs and requirements for an optimized hydraulic reservoir solution from Schroeder Industries. OEMs and end users can benefit from lower costs thanks to less material required, decrease in oil volume, and from the additional space, a savings to our customers in their machine's reservoir footprint and weight. We will now briefly touch more on the differences between the TNK Roto-Molded Tank Packages and our tank optimization services to further clarify which direction would be most beneficial for you and your machinery. Schroeder Industries is on the cutting edge of hydraulic design with the TNK Complete Roto-Molded Tank Package Solutions. Proudly manufactured in the US, our TNK product gives our users a one-time, all-inclusive product, which includes tooling charges, weight reduction, certified tank cleanliness, assembly labor, all SAE fittings and connections, and all-included top-of-the-line breather, gauges, and return line filter products from Schroeder's impressive catalog. With extensive market research, we found that a lot of our competitors nickel and dime for each of the aforementioned services. This causes stress and unnecessary amounts of wasted time, effort, and paperwork, such as purchase orders. Not to mention the quality and design of the product you are receiving is not comparable to the Schroeder TNK platform. At Schroeder, our TNK product comes readily available with an 8-week lead time, no lengthy development and tooling period, and in a single purchase order. Your purchasing reps and your fluid power system will thank us. Now that you know a little bit more about the varying world of hydraulic reservoirs, as well as our standard catalog TNK Roto-Molded Tank Package Solutions, we would now like to showcase our tank optimization services. Our tank optimization service is your best option for a cost and space-saving solution. We can work within your current system to create a modified solution, increasing de-aeration and thermal reduction inside the existing reservoir. Or we can create a brand new hydraulic reservoir ready to give you a space-saving solution and the most bang for your buck. Our optimization experts in the field of tank and filtration systems will work alongside you and support the project with real-world simulations, tests and experience, optimized filtration systems, reduction of complexity of the tank and optimization of space, and spare part management. Here is an example of how we are able to take an existing system and craft it to run more efficiently and effectively for our customer. The original reservoir was set up in a way that prohibited fluid from utilizing the entire reservoir capacity, creating a large dead zone on the right-hand side of the reservoir where no fluid was circulating. When fluid does not circulate properly through a reservoir, it doesn't appropriately use the surface of the fluid to reduce air content or the walls of the reservoir to dissipate heat. Our experts saw this problem, and with a simple restructure, adding baffles and diffusers, we were able to better utilize all of the given reservoir space and reduce the current tank volume by 10% for a cost-effective solution and a healthier overall hydraulic system. Since offering this optimization service, we've learned that many fluid power entities operate with a tank-sized way beyond the necessary size requirements. Whether it be the internals of the reservoir not using its full potential or an oversized tank taking up an unnecessary amount of system space, our experts are ready to learn the ins and outs of your system and truly create a solution that helps you. Interested to see what Schroeder can do for your system? Let our experts see if you are wasting space and money by scheduling a no-charge, no-obligation hydraulic reservoir assessment. Contact us today at sisales@schroederindustries.com and give us a few moments to evaluate your savings potential.